3, 2, 1. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna wear in the goggles and we're gonna do an amazing food. Welcome back. Today, as a request from my friends, I'm wearing my goggles. If you like it, comment below. We're gonna fry an egg in a big pan. Let's go! We can fry an egg in a big pan. This is the result. If you like it with something else, you can eat it with white rice. Check my recipe. If you like this video, please click the bell, subscribe. If you want any recipe on the channel, comment below and I will try to do it. See you next time.